Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you feel this video is useful, then you can leave your comments and please help click thumb up and thank you. Subscribe to my channel. So I just purchased a Huawei Mate30, this mobile phone, and I think this mobile phone's camera is very strong. I feel very happy about that, but the disappointed thing is I find there's no Google application installed in this mobile phone. So I do some research in the internet and I find this application. The name is VMOS. This application is a virtual machine. You can install this application in your Android mobile phones, and you can get another virtual Android mobile phone on your Huawei Mate30. Then you can install the application, duplicated application. You can have two duplicated applications in a single mobile phone. But please pay attention that you need to be careful, because this is a third-party app, and you need to careful about your personal bank account information. Please don't install that like a bank account information, bank account app into this third-party virtual machines. But you can install like a normal application like YouTube to see some videos, or install your Google Photos to save your photos. I think there's no problem, but be careful about your bank account. Please don't install such kind of app in this virtual machine. So this virtual machine just a simulation of another Android phone. Then you can install all kind of app duplicated and separate from your original real phones. That's the logic. Then it has just a parallel Android system in your single mobile phone. This is the logic. So and this virtual machine has a Google Play Store, so you can use it. Okay, so first you will need to go to this website to download the VMOS, the APK file. Okay, let's go. So here we already on the app download website, the APK pair. Then we will search the app VMOS. Then search. Then click the first one, the application, the virtual machine. It will establish a virtual Android machine on your Huawei Mate30 or P30. Then you just click download this file and install this file, this application on your mobile phone. Okay, I see my screen. I already installed this app in my mobile phone. Then you just click this app VMOS, and now it will start the virtual machine on your Huawei mobile phone and Mate30 or P30. Then there will be a virtual Android on your phone. You can see the comparison of this phone. You can see here, this is a phone, and here is the application I installed for the Google's application, like Google Photo, and here. Then I can show you my screen. Yeah, this is my real Android phone. You can see here, this is my real Android phone, and this one is my virtual Android phones. So here I already installed the Google Photo. Then I click the Google Play. Here you can, it's very easy to use. You can just click the YouTube, then just install the YouTube into your virtual Android. Accept. Then it is download, and the speed is relatively say it's very fast. Then after this finished, then you can see the YouTube on your mobile phones. So that's very easy, you know. It's depend on your internet connection and the broadband speed. So that's I think that's the simplest way and the safest way to install the Google Play and install the Google Chrome or the Google application on your mobile phones. Here you can also download the Facebook, install the Facebook, accept, and install the Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, accept. So installed. You can see they are installing the YouTube, the Facebook, all the applications you frequently used for the Google services. All of them can be downloaded and installed. Let's have a look. You can see Facebook is also downloading, and the Instagram is also downloading. It's very fast, you can see here, and can be downloaded and installed on your mobile phone. It's the safest way, and there's no any damage or no any interfere to your original system. I mean to your Android system. This is just a virtual machine, and you can see the use all those applications. Here I can go down to my desktop. You can see the YouTube is here. Then you just click the YouTube. It can be launched very fast, and then you can see the or Mate get Google. Okay, I'll show you this one. Have a look.
She wanted to move someplace warm.
But he wanted snow for the holidays.
Yeah, you can just
so we built a snow globe.
yeah,
Get that later.
full screen.
But
All
the one
kind
thing
of functions
we both
can
agree on
be
was getting
here
Geico to
and
help with our homeowner's insurance.
float on the
So what you were
desktop.
saving was really
All kind of functions is available
Sweetie,
in
hands
this
off the
virtual
glass.
machine mode. Yes.
U.S. trade wars has disrupted manufacturing.
Okay, yes, you
and
can see
deep-rooted
this
supply chains that have been
YouTube
built
can
up
be
over the past
floating
decade.
on your
Investor confidence is
real
souring, and despite this
Mate30
positive trend,
screen.
German officials
This
have
is
stressed that it is
my
a
real
mistake to only consider total economic
Mate30
growth
screen.
when evaluating the
Then
health
you
of the
can
economy.
you
Acknowledging that there
just
are some
float
structural
on
issues
the
that need to be addressed in
desktop
order
to
to
see
stabilize the economy.
the
To
YouTube.
give us the
It's
latest,
very
we're
useful,
joined by
right?
Hillary Forwich, board
It's
member
very,
of the
very
British American
useful.
Business
So you can
Association.
just
Hi, Hillary. So, while not in technically
rotate
a recession,
the screen
German numbers right now still
as you
remain
like,
weak, and
and
they've been
here you
dragging
can
for the better part of this year.
change
So, why are we still
the
clinging
the
to this
voice
mantra
mute
of
or not
black
mute,
commitment
and
to
can be
non-budget?
fixed.
Well, a couple of factors there,
Not
Chrissy. Number one,
fixed.
I mean, that's cultural. The Germans
And,
have been fiscally conservative
here
forever. That's
you
probably
can
never going to
hide
change.
it,
A couple of things that affect the
it will
numbers
go
this
back.
year.
This
Easter
is
actually
very,
fell
very
rather
useful
late, so you have the slowdown
for
effect,
you
not
if you
just
are a
from March,
YouTuber
it kind of went
to
over and
see
straddled into
the
April,
YouTube
so it
on
affected
your
not just the first quarter, but the
mobile
second
phone.
quarter. And also, it was a very
Okay.
mild winter in that part of Europe. So in Germany, all the construction issues and
So,
Geico and see how
okay.
easy saving on homeowners
If you think my video is very useful, then you can just subscribe to my channel and to see more videos about. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.